Kunya, just as a point of benefit, Shaykh Ubaid said, kunya is that which others give you, not which you yourself address yourself with when people ask you your name. When somebody asks you your name, you should give your name. But as an honor, the Arabs usually as an honor, they address others with the kunya, And many times we used to hear Shaykh Ubaid, whenever a person, he asks him, whenever Shaykh Ubaid would ask them, what's your name? And they give their kunya, the Shaykh would say, I didn't ask your kunya, I asked your name. And also you find, Shaykh Ubaid said that you find many of the partisan groups, they try to hide behind kunya. They try to hide behind their kunya. So your name should be known, rather be first and foremost before. It's possible that your kunya becomes more widespread than your name because that's how the people address you. That's possible and that's allowed. There's nothing wrong with that. But if somebody asks your name, you should give your name first and foremost. No. And it's an honor that you address others by their kunya. You address them by the kunya. So this is an honor.